Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about arithmetic progression. Alright. So first of all, let's see the definition. It's a sequence of numbers such that difference between the consecutive terms is constant. So let's say we have a sequence, okay? For example, let's say 5, 11, and so on. Now 5, then 7, 9. So we have these consecutive terms, and if we will see the difference between them, it will be constant. So difference between 5 and 7, 2, same. 9 and 7, 2. Then 9 and 11, 13, and the same way. Alright. So in journal form, if we are going to express this, what exactly arithmetic progression, alright, and these terms. So this first term we can denote with A, let's say, okay, where A is the first term, and let's say the difference between these two, which is 2 in this case, we can write it as D. D is the common difference. Then terms will be like, next term will be A plus D, because 5 plus 2, 7 it becomes. Now I have the second term. In this term, D once again will be added. So it will be A plus D, next term. Then again I have this term, and next one D will be added. So it will become A plus D 3 times. Okay, A plus D, and now plus D, and so on. So this becomes A plus D, A plus 2D, so on. So if we have the nth term, now we can see in second term we have D, that means 2 minus 1. In third term we have 2D, 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. Same way, if we will be having nth term, it will be what? A plus n minus 1 D. This will be tnth term. So let's say we define this tnth term with nth term with Tn. So this will be A plus n minus 1 D. Alright. Here A is the first term, n is the number of terms, and D is the difference. Alright. And combinedly this is nth term. So if sequence is given, we have this sequence given. The 5 is first term, 7 is second term, 9 is third term, 11 is fourth term. Same way, if you want to, let's say, find out 10th term, we can easily find out. How? We have to just put in the formula. T10 in this given example, 5 is first term, number of terms, which term? 10th term we have to calculate. So 10 minus 1. D is 2 here, common difference. And the result will be our 10th term of the given sequence. How? 10 minus 1, 9. 9 into 2, 18. Plus 5, 23. So 23 will be the answer for this one. So that's how we can find any term of a given sequence, given arithmetic progression. Alright. Now we have seen about the nth term. Let's talk about how to find the sum of a given arithmetic progression. Alright. So let's say this is the general term which is given. We'll derive the formula. Alright. How it comes. So let's call it Sn. Where A is the first term, then this is the second term, this is third term, fourth term. The same way, this is nth term. Alright. So student, I know this one small property. If I write A plus B plus C, or I write C plus B plus A, it's the same thing. That's what I'm going to do here. So what I do, A plus n minus 1D. I'll write it reverse. Okay. Next term will become A plus n minus 2D. The same way, now we'll go reverse. So it will become at the last A plus D, then A plus D. Alright. I can do, I can add them up. Okay. When I am going to do that, this first term and this first term, then this second term and this second term the same way. Alright. When I will add this up, a plus a, 2a plus this side, a plus a 2a plus n minus 1d plus, when I add this up, a plus a becomes 2a plus d plus n minus 2d. Alright, if I'll solve it, d plus and d minus 2d, d minus 2d becomes minus d. Now I can take d common, it becomes n minus 1, which is same, n minus 1d. So the same way I will get the same sum. How many times? N times, because I have n number of terms here. Alright, so the same thing I will be getting here, this in the third term as well, in the fourth term as well, and in the nth term as well. At the end, and on the left hand side, Sn plus Sn gives me 2Sn. Now, this particular term getting repeated n times. If you write a plus a plus a plus a, how many times? N times. Then what you write it? N into a. That's what I am going to do here. We can write it as n into 2a plus n minus 1 d. Students, now we have 2Sn on the left hand side. So this 2 can come on the right hand side. And it will be in division because it is in multiplication here. So it will become n by 2. So that's the formula we have. Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. This is a formula for sum of a progression, arithmetic progression, given up to nth terms. Alright. Now, this formula can be taken in other way as well. How? Different. So here we have 2a plus n minus 1d. This term. Okay. If I write this as a plus a, this 2a I can write as a plus a, like a plus a plus n minus 1d. And if I take only this term, this is what? Nth term of a given expression. So this will be the last term as well, because nth term is the last, this term is up to only nth term. So here we can replace this with n by 2 a plus last term. So last term, alright, this Tn, I can, let's say I write it as, okay, let it be Tn only, a plus Tn. That is also the formula for sum of our arithmetic progression given up to nth term. So till now we have discussed about Tn, last term of a given expression, given arithmetic progression, then Sn, sum of the given expression up to nth terms, and in two different formulas. Alright, that's how we can solve the examples over this as well. We have an example now. So first of all, we know the formula about last term, sum. Alright, given that if 9th term of an AP is 0, T9 is equal to given as 0. Show that 29th term, that means T29 is double of 19th term. That means T19. That's how we can express this. That's what we have to prove. Alright. T9 is equal to 0. Now we know the formula of nth term of an AP. AP is arithmetic progression. Alright. So ninth term will be A plus 9 minus 1D, which is equal to 0. That means A plus 8D is equal to 0. So A is minus 8D. Alright. We have the value of A in terms of D. When we are going to put this here, first of all, T29, I can open it as A plus n minus 1D. N minus 1D means 28D. On the right hand side, 2, that's what I have to prove. This term, okay, T90, that is A plus n minus 1D, that means 19 minus 1, 18. Alright. This A I can replace with minus 80. I can replace with this value. So minus 8D plus 28D is equals to 2 of minus A I can again replace with minus 8D. Minus 8D plus 18D. This becomes 20D and this becomes 10D. Minus 8 plus 18 becomes 10D. And that's what we have to prove. This is 10D is 19th term, which is 10D. 29th term is 20D, which is double. That's what we have to prove. So with using the formula of last term of a given equation, we can solve this question. Alright. Thank you.